Hey y'all, hey, Chris here once again. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So as you guys can see from the title, I'm going to show you guys how I do my flat twist updo using Marley hair. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I used to do this hairstyle a lot. Back in the day, I did a flat twist, like just down, and the ones going up, and I just love the updos. Okay, so one thing that I want to do this year, especially since my hair is growing back, I just want to focus on the care of my natural hair. You guys know that I went relaxed about 2 years ago, over 2 years ago, and now I'm back natural. I'm not cutting my hair again. I'm not getting a relaxer again. I'm just gonna let her do her thing and see how she does this time. But most importantly, I want to make sure that I'm maintaining the health of my hair. Like I want my hair to grow. I want it to be thicker and all that, but the most important thing I want to focus on is the health of my natural hair. So if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I got a sew-in last week. I had a sew-in, but I took that out. For some reason, I just had headaches for a while, I guess from all the crying of the passing of my grandma and stuff like that. So I was just crying a lot, but it just seemed like the headaches wouldn't go away. So I don't know if it was just tension or whatever. I don't know what it was. Before I got my hair done, I don't know, I was just experiencing some like scalp irritation. So from that, I just felt in my heart, you know what, just take it out, focus on your hair. Since it's gonna be warm here in Texas, I wanna, you know, get back to my protective styles, but not necessarily like wigs and stuff like that, like really being intentional about my natural hair. So for anyone who is looking for a springtime hairstyle or hairdo, but you don't have long enough hair or your hair's not thick enough, this is a great alternative to have that full, big, chunky twist that I absolutely love and I'm obsessed with. So let's hop right into it. So without any further ado, let's get it. But make sure you subscribe, girl. Are you subscribed? No? It's okay. But what I want you to do is subscribe and hit that notification bell twice so that way you're notified every time I post a video. So as you guys can see, I already parted my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the twist going here, here, and it is all going to come up in the middle, and also I'm going to have it up in the back. So that's like that's the style that I'm aiming for. Same thing that I did last time. I just used some Marley hair here. I think this is like maybe 3 packs. It's pretty simple. It's really simple and it's very quick. You just get about 4. It depends. So it all depends on how chunky you want your twist to be. Will determine how many to use. So if you don't want like super big chunky twist, then don't use a lot of the Marley hair. Just use about maybe 3. Like I think this is about good 3 or about 4, but me, I want them to be chunky, okay? So I'm gonna use about 6 here, and yeah, so yeah, I want them things big and chunky. I have about a good bit right here, and if you want it like super full, then you can brush it out and, you know, make it more full and everything. I have my gel. You can use a gel or twist cream of whatever choice, and then y'all, this right here, this is a good, I don't know if you guys can see, it's probably the best edge control that I've found for 4C hair, and I'm gonna show y'all because y'all gonna have to get on this, okay? So for my type 4 hair, if you're looking for something to slick your edges down, thank you later. Last time the back was a little complicated, and that's just because of how you're like grabbing it and starting it from the back. So I'm gonna try my best to explain it, but when you do it, if you do this tutorial, you're going to have to like probably angle yourself in a weird way. So let's go ahead and get started. So I will show you guys if you guys are interested in seeing my updated natural hair care routine, let me know and I got you, girl. Alright, so let's see. Just make sure 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And then you don't necessarily have to use a gel, but like I said, it's a personal choice if you want, you know, to minimize the frizz. So I just put a little bit on there. Alright, so here you guys can see you have Marley twist. And like I said, if you want it super chunky, you fill it out, comb it out, brush it out, all that good stuff. If not, it is totally up to you. Alright, you ready? Let's do it. Oh, can y'all see? Okay. So you want to grab it at the beads. Okay? Okay. And then you're just going to try your best to grab it while twisting it up. Like I said, it's hard to explain and it's actually kind of complicated to do, but you're just gonna have to try your best to get this part. So like just like maybe wrapping it around maybe once or twice until you get it in there. Get it connected, and then as you get it connected, you just start braiding up. It's braiding up. So yeah, see how my braids already started all the way up there. That will probably happen, but it is what it is. So let's see. So as long as you're able to grab it, that's all that really matters. 'Cause that's the goal. You want to be able to just grab it and connect it. You can see, but just try to grab like your beads. Try to start from there. Try to start at the beads and just try your best to connect and grab. And make sure, because it's going to try to run away. It's going to try to run away, but you just got to grab and connect. We shall see. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get it going.
On the way. I got plans for you all day, all night. 'Cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes, 'cause I have a surprise for you. Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait.
it. So this style is super easy, super quick, because you know time is of the essence. So this tutorial was super quick. I did have to do a few over just because when I look at it, you know, when I'm doing my hair in the camera lens, it's hard to like recognize exactly what I'm doing. So that's why I went to a mirror and I was like, oh no, I gotta do that over. So I did a few over. So I did like 2 or 3 over in the front, and I just love it. I just love how simple and just that updo, especially for the warm front that is coming to Texas soon. So this is perfect, you know, to keep my hair off my face, keep it off of my back, but I can still, you know, I'm still able to oil my scalp and, you know, massage it, you know, gently and everything. Because when you have weave in your hair, you know, sometimes it's hard to do all of that because you don't want to weigh your weave down with the oil and stuff like that. So this is just a nice protective style that will last me for at least a week or 2, or till I'm bored, because y'all know how I do. When I get bored, I switch my hairs. So, but I love it. I love her. And it's super easy and quick. So I'll leave all the products down below. But y'all, like seriously, like no joke, like this might be, like I've tried a lot of edge controls because it's hard to find a good edge control for type 4 hair, especially type 4C hair. But this right here, like look at that. Like I haven't even put my silk scarf around my edges, and look at it, it's still laid. Like my edges look really, really good. And it's this is the Design Essentials Sleek Max Edge Control, and I got a share from Sally's. I'll link it down below. Y'all, it's some good stuff. Alright, so that is it. I hope you guys don't mind me not having makeup on. It's a Sunday and I don't feel like putting makeup on right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Let me know if there's any other tutorials that you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Peace.